We showed you a sneak peek of Android Instant Apps at Google I/O this year. We're working to evolve Android apps to be able to run instantly without installation. I'm Suresh, a product manager at Google, and I want to tell you why we're so excited about Android Instant Apps and show you how it works. Developers like you have built amazing Android apps. Android apps unleash the full power of Android devices, seamlessly combining the camera, the GPS, with smooth animations and more. But you tell us you wish you could bring users into your apps more quickly. With the web, you can tap a link and land on a web page. It takes one tap and just a few seconds. But if I don't have the app installed, getting to the same place in the app can take many taps and a few minutes. We want to help you deliver the rich and immersive experiences in your Android apps to more users. So with Instant Apps, we try to get rid of install friction completely. Let me show you what this looks like. Let's say my friend Ficus sent me a link to tasty recipes on BuzzFeed Video. I don't have the BuzzFeed Video app on my phone. When I tap the link, I am taken directly to the Tasty channel in the Android app. I see a stream of videos showing how to make different recipes. This video even starts playing automatically. It's an awesome Android app, isn't it? And I didn't even have to install it. The app opened up so quickly because it's been split into modules. Only the code necessary to display these screens was downloaded and run on the fly. If I want to add BuzzFeed Video to my home screen, it's simple to install the full app right here. Let's take a look at another example. B&H Photo and Video has a beautiful Android app, but I don't necessarily have it on my phone because I don't shop for cameras every day. With Instant Apps, this is not a problem. Let's say I search for a camera and see an offer from B&H that I like. With one tap, the app opens up deep linked right to the camera I want to buy. Well, technically, it's deep linked right to the Android activity that B&H wrote that displays this product, and that's all the code that Google Play needed to download. I can swipe right to read more about the camera, but I'm going to go ahead and add it to my cart. At checkout, Android Pay works just like if I had the app installed. With Android Instant Apps, I'm already signed in and ready to pay. It takes 2 taps, not 2 minutes. Finally, let's take a look at an example of how Instant Apps can be useful in the real world. I walk up to a parking meter and I need to pay. I don't have the parking app on my phone. But what if I could tap my phone on the meter and with NFC, it brings up the parking app immediately? I choose how long I want to park and pay with Android Pay. Simple and easy. So there you go, Android Instant Apps. As a user, it is totally seamless from launching the app to signing in to making payments. Now let's talk about how to build Android Instant Apps. The great news is that you can enable this functionality by upgrading your existing Android app. This is not a new separate app. You continue using the same Android APIs, the same source code in your existing Android Studio project. It can take less than a day of work to get set up, depending on how your app is built. You enable your app to run instantly by modularizing it. This allows Google Play to download only the parts that are needed on the fly to make the user experience feel fast and snappy. Most importantly, you as the developer are in full control of your app's user experience. Instant Apps is compatible with Android versions going all the way back to Jelly Bean, making your app a tap away for over 1 billion users. We're excited about the opportunities this will open up and want to get this in the hands of developers like you. But this is a big change and we want to get it right. So we're working with a small set of developers now and we'll be gradually expanding access. We'll be rolling out Instant Apps to users over the next year. If you're interested in upgrading your app to run instantly, go to g.co/instant apps to learn more.